What's up, everybody? It's your boy Retarded Adventures. We got the little XR50 out here today. And when I got this bike, it needed front forks and all that jazz. But y'all aren't here for that. You're here for how to make this thing quieter. When I got it, it didn't have a baffle in it. It is loud. Let me see if I can start her up for you here so you can get her before. Alright, so what we're going to try to do is make our own baffle silencer. So what I've come up with so far is, let's see, right here, an old baffle. I think that come out of a Nighthawk or something. I'm going to cut it down right here. I've got a lawnmower muffler that flowed pretty good. I mean, come on. It is going to create some back pressure, I guess, but those motors are so small it don't matter. The kids are going to be able to ride it all day, every day. I didn't expect them to ride as much as they've been riding. So basically, I just screwed this on. If you don't have a welder, you can still make this work. But I got a welder. So you can screw that pop in. I'm going to actually tack it on there. Tack that pop on there. But if you can find an old motor lawnmower muffler, you can pick these up at probably Tractor Supply or something. And they probably got different styles that look better. This is just what I had on all the shelf over there. So put this on here, cut this off. I'm going to take and bend this end down, probably drill a couple holes in this. Just so the sound has to move through, make it as quiet as possible. So I'm going to cut this down, get this put in there, and give you before and after. Guys, so I got the pipe cut from this old silencer. Just a short piece of it. I smushed the end flat in my vise here, and then I'm starting to drill some little holes. They're all going to be about this size, but I'm going to drill a few in this pipe, 2 or 3 of them in this pipe, and this will be closest to the motor. And then I'll have my muffler, which I just went and hit with some black real quick, just so it don't look as obvious that it's a lawnmower muffler on here. We'll put it in this end, weld it, put it in there, and show you before and after. All right, everybody, we got my silencer that's still wet. The paint's still wet on it, but got a couple holes in it, got the end smashed down. I'm gonna give y'all a little before and after. Ooh, that thing's hot. Getting ready to tack it on. You can probably use self-tappers and get it on there. Alright guys, so we got our homemade baffle. It'll look better when I paint it, but kids don't care what it looks like, as long as they can ride longer. So we got that in there. Remember, we got that piece with a piece of pipe with holes in it. And I just did a very poor job at welding it on there. But it's welded on there, it's not gonna come out. So let's give y'all a start up now with the new and improved silencer to make your dirt bike quieter. Oh, she's super quiet. You hear more motor noise. I need to do valves on this thing. She's quiet. I'd say success. Very quiet. Do it to your kid's bike so they can keep riding. There you have it. That's the way to make your dirt bike quiet.